this video, I will discuss word problems of exercise 2.6. The question is, again I am reading the last sentence of your question so that in your mind it will be clear that what we have to find out here. So, find their present ages. So, here we have to find out present ages of more than one person. Now, here the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Whenever it is given in term of a ratio, I told you, you have to assume as 5x and 7x. So here I will assume, let present age of first is Hari is 5x years and present age of Harry is 7x years. Then 4 years from now. 4 years from now means after 4 years. So after 4 years, Hari's age will be 5x plus 4. Here I am writing, after 4 years, Hari's age will be 5x plus 4 years and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4 years. Now, here it is given 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be, means 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 will be means is equals to, will be 3:4, that is 3/4. Find their present ages. So again how to solve it? We'll do cross multiplication like this. This 4 will multiply here. So 4 into 5x plus 4 plus 3 into this term will multiply here, which is equals to 3 into 7x plus 4. Now here do gradual multiplication like this. 4 5s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16, which is equals to 7 3s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Now correct one side variable, though 21 is bigger than 20, so I am shifting it that side. So 16 positive, so this side it will be negative 12. So 21x minus 20x. So here you can observe 16 minus 12 will be 4, which is equals to 21 minus x, that is 20, that is x. So you can observe x is equals to 4, but here we have to find out present age. So therefore present ages of Hari and Harry will be, Hari's age I have assumed 5. So 5x, that is 5 into 4, 20 years, and Harry's age, okay, Harry also I have specified before, and Harry's age that I have assumed is 7. So in place of x I will put 4. So 7 4s are 28 years. So like that you can solve it. Find the rational number. Here we have to find out a rational number. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Condition complete by numerator. So here I will assume, let numerator be x. Now they are saying denominator of a rational number is. So denominator is equals to, denominator is greater than its numerator by 8. So numerator is x, greater than by 8 means plus 8. Now if the numerator is increased by 17, numerator is x, increased by 17 means x plus 17, and denominator is decreased by 1, denominator is x plus 8, while I will decrease it, I will get x plus 8 minus 1. the number obtained. So I am getting a rational number, numerator upon denominator. The number obtained is, so which is equals to 3 by 2, find the number. So here I will get x plus 17 upon x plus 8 minus 1, 7, which is equals to 3 by 2. Do here cross multiplication, 2 will be multiplied here. X plus 17, which is equals to 3. This whole expression will be multiplied here. So x plus 7. Now do gradual multiplication like this. So 2 into x will be 2x plus 2 17s are 34, which is equals to, again multiply it, 3 into x, 3x plus 21. Now collect one side variables, another side numbers, but 3x is bigger than 2. So this one I am shifting there. So 34, this one is plus, so here it will be minus 24, which is equals to 3x minus 2x. So now you have, while I will subtract it, I will get 4 minus 1 will be 3, 1, which is equals to x. So here x value I am getting 13. Here I have to find out a rational number. So therefore the rational number is equals to numerator upon denominator. My numerator is x, denominator is x plus 8. So which is equals to, here I am getting 13 upon 13 plus 8. So I will get 13 upon, if I add I will get 8 plus 3, 11, power 1, 21. So like that you can solve it. Some more practice questions are given in an assignment. Here the second chapter is completed. You can